Hello everyone. Today we will start a new topic, Tally. So, Tally is an accounting software that helps us to maintain our business transaction. So, we will work in educational mode. Now, let's go into that. Here is an interface of Tally RP9. Here you can see there is an horizontal button bar, company info, and the gateway of Tally where you can see list of selected companies, current period, current date, and date of last entry when you have entered any transaction. Here is a product information bar where you can get the information about the software, like what is the name of the product, version, updates, license, configuration, and the calculator. So here I'm starting with how to create a company in Tally. So now let's click on create company. Here you can see the company creation screen. There is a directory where you can store your Tally data. Now here is a name. You can give any name to your company for which you want to create the company creation. Like I am creating code edu dot com. Mailing name is also codeedu.com. You can give any mailing name. Address, I'm giving A79 Kirtinagar. Country, here is a list of selected countries. You can select any country. Like I'm selecting India. And in the state, I'm selecting Delhi. Pin code, I'm giving a pin code of like 1100 and 97. And there is a phone number. You can mention any phone number. Mobile number. Fax number. If you have fax number of your company, you can give. Email. I am writing the email. For business inquiries. Website. Here you can mention the financial year from which your company started. Like here is already mentioned that from 1st April 2019. As you all know, the financial year starts from the 1st April. And we will maintain the books with from 1st April 2019. Here is a security control. About the security control, I will explain in the next video. Now you can come to the base currency information where there is a base currency symbol rupee, formal name Indian rupee, suffix symbol to amount. You can set if you want to add space between amount and symbol. I have already said by default it's yes. You want to show amount in millions, you can press this option to yes. Number of decimal places, I want to use after the decimal, there will be only 2 places. Word representing amount after decimal will be in pairs. And number of decimal places for amount in words will be 2. By pressing a Control A or by simply pressing the enter, you can accept. Like I am pressing Control A to accept the whole. It's processing. Here you can see on the gateway of Tally screen, here is a current period that starts from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. That is my financial year. Current date, it's on Monday, 1st April 2019. List of selected companies. You can see my company is selected here and there is no entry, means there will be no transaction in the company. In Tally, single line means Alt and double line means Control. By pressing Alt F1, I can shut my company. By pressing F1, I can select my company. Here is a button bar. You can see F1 for select company, Alt F1 for shut company. Just means that you are closing your company. It doesn't mean you are deleting. It means only you are closing the company. F2 for date, Alt F2 to change the period. Like you want to change your financial period, you can change. By pressing Alt F3, you can get the company info. With the F function key F4, you can connect, and with Alt F4, you can disconnect. F11 is for features and F12 for configuration. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.